Hey guys, Blitz here, and welcome back to another Custom Figure Friday. Today, we're going to be taking a look at Artemis from Young Justice. This figure is really cool, love her, and let's get started. The first thing to build this figure is the hairpiece, and this is actually a ponytail hairpiece right here in yellow. This is from the vintage car set. We also have the head right here, which is from Rey Skywalker from Star Wars. I got from the Octu Island. The torso here is from the Mandalorian Battle Pack, and it's actually turned around right here. We also have the arms, and these are two different arms. The first one comes from Robin from the Lego Batman movie, and then the second one you can find on Dobby or just a lot of different minifigures. I also replaced the hand right here with our green one just to match what she looks like in the show. And then moving down, we also have the legs right here, which are from Green Lantern. For our accessories, we have a quiver and also a bow. These both come from the new Avengers sets, which I'll put up on screen. But yeah, that's basically how to build this figure. If you don't have some of those pieces, you could also use these. First of all, we have Shaggy right here. You can use his arms instead of Robin. You can use these legs. If you want to mask this figure right here, you could use this headpiece right here. I know it isn't female and it kind of looks weird on her, but I think this is the best headpiece that can work for her actual mask. That's pretty much all we have for this figure. I really love Young Justice, and this was a really fun video to make. If you want to check out any of my other Young Justice customs, they are kind of old videos, but I think they're actually pretty good customs. Thank you guys for watching, goodbye, and have a good day.